Hi everybody, I wanted to show you the new lamp that we bought. This is the Seaside Village Arc floor lamp in the color black with the linen shade. This was really easy to assemble. It came really well packed. The whole thing took maybe 5 minutes to screw together. All these little segments just screwed together. And then the shade does come unassembled that you have to put it onto like a track, but that was really easy. It only took like maybe 30 seconds. And you can see that there are no creases in the shade, so it was really, really well delivered and packaged for us. This lamp is adjustable, which is really nice. You can see it can move vertically, it can move horizontally. If you want to aim the light at a specific point, or if you want to have it facing upward to kind of dilute the light onto the wall, this is a really nice option for you. Another thing I really like about this lamp is that it is smart bulb compatible. So if you have an Alexa or Google Home, you want to put a smart bulb in, this lamp will work with that. The base is nice and sturdy. You can see that it really doesn't wiggle or move very much at all. And then to turn the lamp on and off, they actually have a floor switch over here. And you can see it's really, really easy to work. We are really, really happy with the lamp. I think it looks very high end. It looks and even feels a lot more expensive than it actually is. I hope this review was helpful and answered any questions that you might have about this lamp. I hope you give it a try and love it as much as we do. Bye.